Hey guys, how's it going? I'm the Happy Mad Scientist, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this super cool rubber band gun that is really easy to make, and it shoots, it shoots rubber bands, but there's no trigger mechanism, which means it's really easy to make. There's no moving parts you have to assemble or cut out or anything. You can make it without power tools, which is really cool, and you load it just by putting the rubber band in this notch up here, and putting it around the back there and flicking it off. Really quick to load, really cool, and they go pretty far. I'll do a range test later in the video just to see. And I made a 15-incher, which is really powerful at close range. Really good for shooting flies, but that shoots the most powerful at close range. This is 16 inches long. This one is 12 inches long. This one's my favorite. It can shoot the farthest, mainly because when you pull the rubber band back, you can really stretch one side. So this one's really tight, and this one's just really loose. And when you shoot it, it imparts a spin on the rubber band, and it spins around in the air and goes farther than if it was just bouncing back and forth like that through the air. So it's more powerful out to farther ranges. You can't do it on the 15-incher because the rubber band is pretty much stretched out the whole way. You can put just a little bit on it, but it's not enough to really make it spin enough to make it go far, if that makes sense. Then I also made a little tiny one, and it's pretty fun. You can double one rubber band up to make it a bit more powerful, like that. I think it's a bit more powerful. So let's get to it. I guess, yeah, get to it. Oh, there's a fly. Right there. Ah, he got away. And then he got a shot right under him. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I got a whole bunch of cool stuff coming up, so stay tuned. You know the drill. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.